What is social engineering and how to avoid getting tricked online? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the sneakiest cyber threats out there, social engineering. It's not just about hacking computers, it's about hacking people. If you have ever received a weird email, a fake call from tech support, or a suspicious DM, you have seen social engineering in action. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't fall victim to these clever attacks. What is social engineering? Social engineering is a psychological manipulation technique that cyber criminals use to trick people into giving up confidential information like passwords, banking info, or even company secrets. Instead of hacking your device, they hack your trust. 5 common types of social engineering. 1. Phishing. Fake emails that look real. They might say your account has been compromised. Click here to reset your password. 2. Pretexting. An attacker pretends to be someone important, like an IT technician, to gain your trust. Baiting. Leaving infected USBs around or offering free stuff that actually infect your device. 4. Scareware. Pop-ups that say your PC is infected. Download this now. Do not do it. Tailgating. In offices, someone follows an employee through a secure door by pretending to belonging. Real-world example. Let's break it down with a few real cases. Twitter hack 2020. Hackers used social engineering to access admin tools and post scam tweets from major accounts like Elon Musk and Apple. Tech support scam. A caller says they are from Microsoft and need access to your PC. It's fake, but people still fall for it. How they trick you. Hackers use psychological triggers like fear your account will be deleted, urgency you only have 5 minutes to act, authority I'm from IT, need your login, curiosity click to see who viewed your profile. They manipulate emotions to make you act without thinking. How to protect yourself. Pause and verify. Always double check if the request makes sense. Don't overshare. Be careful what you post online. Attackers use it to build their approach. Use 2FA or two-factor authentication. Even if your password is stolen, 2FA stops most attacks. Educate others. Share this video with friends or co-workers. Awareness is the first defense. Social engineering isn't just about computers, it's about people. And the best way to protect yourself is to stay alert, stay skeptical, and stay informed. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Until next time, stay safe online.